Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today we're going to see if we can restore my grandmother's old sunflower Mayan thing. I don't know. She's gone to be with the Lord and I got to take this home. I like it. And I want to see if we can put it back to original. I've got some mothers, mag and aluminum polish. This stuff works on everything. But if it doesn't work, I don't know if this is paint or whatever. I've got some copper and or gold. So we'll see. And here we go. So first I'd just like to see if this works. Just get a little bit on a rag here. Definitely got some stuff off. I think it would end up being this kind of brown color, and I'd really like to see it pop here. Okay, so we're gonna go with the spray paint. So I'm thinking copper in the middle and then gold on the leaves. Or we'll do copper on the whole thing. This isn't gonna mess with the Let's see. A little bit of this. That dry up here a little bit, and then we'll come back and hit it with clear coat. Alright, well, it's not tacky. It really wasn't very long. I could have probably just let it run. But we're going to put some of this on there, and we're going to see if sometimes it gets spots. Sometimes this reacts weird to the spray paint. We'll just see. If it doesn't work, shoot it again. It's all good. that'll give it a little extra protection, shine it up a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, we're getting some spots here. Well, we'll see. This ring here, I'm thinking of maybe shooting black. I think that would be kind of cool. Alright, so we're going to let this dry up and get back to it. Alright, well, we're back. I'm happy with how it turned out. And I think we're just going to leave it as is. I might paint it later, I don't know. Turned out pretty good, I think. It's brand new. Grandma would be proud. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.